Hey everyone, welcome to Waiver. Today I'll show you how to speed up Windows 11 and fix slow performance and freezes. First, click Start, then Settings, Privacy and Security. Go to General Settings and turn off all these toggles. It should look like mine. Next, go back and disable unnecessary app permissions. Let's turn off location. Yes, disable it. There, but I need that one. Disable the camera. I don't need the camera, so yes. Notifications, contacts, call history, etc. Turn off all these things. We don't need them. Next, go to System Settings. Type System Prompts Properties. Yes. Here, check additional system settings. We need to find Performance. In Additional Settings, Performance, click Settings and select Adjust for Best Performance. Then click Apply. Next, open Task Manager. Use Ctrl, Shift, Escape to launch it. Now we need startup apps, yes. These are apps that start with Windows. Disable unnecessary ones. I don't need this Avast or Microsoft Teams. Turn off everything you don't need. This will speed up your computer. After that, restart your PC. This was Waiver. See you later.